Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you my June favorites and fails. Some of them I'm loving it, some of them I'm not loving it. So if you want to know, just let's begin. So first we'll start with Lotus Sunscreen, which I got from Flipkart. It is Lotus Professional Phyto RX Sunscreen. The packaging looks like this. Actually I'm using the Lotus Herbal Sunscreen from past 5 to 6 years. I'm fond of those sunscreen, and this one I got it first time. The price wise it is 495 and I got it in 394. Price wise is fine, and it has having comfrey extract in ingredients which reduce inflammation and helps new skin cell grow. It has vanilla extract which is helpful for antioxidating and relaxing. So it is good for normal to oily skin, but if you talk about the dry skin like me, after some time you feel like your skin became dry, so you have to maybe reapply that. Good thing is that it is gel based. I'll show you. It is like gel based, so it is easily observed in your skin. So if you are having oily skin, it's very good option for you, but for dry skin like me, I don't think so it will work out good. So now we'll start the makeup products. First thing I got from Nykaa is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 115 Ivory. It's matte foundation, and if you are having medium to fair skin tone, it will work good for you. If you are having little bit darker skin tone, you may find out other shades. In Nykaa you can find out other shades also. You can just check it out. So as it is matte poreless foundation, so it mattifies and refines pore. It gives the natural skin tone. So I'll show you how it works. The shade is actually perfect for medium skin tone. Okay, more. Okay. So this is how it is. Blend it very easily. So as you can see, that's the perfect shade for me. It blended very well, so I will give thumbs up for this. So the price of this was around 525 rupees and I got it in 420 rupees. So next I got from Nykaa is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium 25. They are having other shade also, sand one and other one, you can check it out. So the good thing is that it is a full coverage. If you are putting under eyes and your dark patches, it will work very well. So one trick I will give you, if you are trying to buy any concealer, just take one shade lighter than the foundation. It will work very well for you. And the price of it was 500 and I got it in 400 rupees. So yeah, that's the good thing. So the another product which I got from Nykaa is Maybelline V Face Blush Contour. The packaging looks like this. It's very cute. It's very travel friendly. And if you are a beginner, you can absolutely go for shades. So they are having 3 shades. You can see that this one first, second, third. This one is highlighter. This works as a highlighter. It works as a blush, and it is as a contour. And in back side, if you can see, they have written how you can use this. The first one you can put above cheekbone, and then blush you can put on cheek, and the contour you can put below cheekbone and jaw lines. So this is the very good thing. Now I will show you how the shade is. So it is like this. First I'll show you the highlighter. Okay, highlighter looks like this. I am not very happy with it. It's not much pigmented. And then we'll see the blush. And anyway, I'm in the shade peach. I forgot to tell. So this is the okay. Blush is fine. You can use for daily basis also. If you're going to office or anywhere, you can use that. And contour will also work good, I think. Yeah. So if you're having fair to medium skin tone, it will go very well with you. If you are having little bit darker, then I think you need to check other shade also. So yeah, it's not very good, it's not very bad. I will tell, it's one thing is good that it's travel friendly. You can just take it anywhere, and except highlight, other things are good. And the price of this was 550 rupees and I got it in 440 rupees from Nykaa. So next thing I got from Nykaa is Maybelline Super Fresh Compact in the shade Shell, which will work well with medium to fresh skin tone, and it is having SPF 28 also, which will protect your skin from sun damaging and darkening. So now come to the inside it packaging. It looks like this. They're having mirror here and the sponge here. So I will tell you, if you're looking for any daily wear compact, this is the best option for you, and the price of this is only the 150 rupees. So next thing from Nykaa, I got this hyperlink liquid liner from Maybelline. The packaging looks like this. It's very beautiful packaging, and the color is also very dark black, so which is very good, and it's very easy to blend. I was using earlier color bar eyeliner and I was loving it. So in between I had give it a try for other eyeliner. I was not that much happy, so this time I got this one and I'm very much satisfied by this. So I will show you how it will work. You can see that. See, it's very dark black color, and once it's dry it become matte, so this is a very good thing. So yeah, and the price of this was 425 rupees. So next thing from Nykaa I got is Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterfall Gel Pencil in the shade it is Glossy Emerald. It is beautiful green color, so if you like to wear bold color on eyes, you can go with this color. It's very pigmented. I will tell you, I'll show you how it is. You can see that it's very pigmented, very beautiful green color. And I'll tell you, if you are having watery eyes like me, so I'll suggest you go either this Maybelline or the Plum Kajal. They both are very good, and the price of it was 499 rupees, and I got it in 399 rupees from Nykaa. So another thing from Nykaa I got is the Maybelline Fashion Pro Duo Shaper in the shade dark brown. They are having another shade also, which is grey one. So they are having both sides. One side is pencil. From that you can just shape your brow, and other side you can fill your brow. It will give you very natural look. If you are looking for daily wear and the day party, that will go very well. But if you are looking for any night out function and the full coverage for you, so I think you need to go for other brow palettes. And if you are beginner, you can absolutely go for. And the price of this was 300 rupees, and I got it in 225 from Nykaa. So from Nykaa, another thing I got is Color Bar Pepidio foundation sponges. So it comes in the packaging of 2. I'll tell you, it's the best substitute for beauty blender who doesn't want to spend $1,000 on sponges. You can go with. So it's very cheap and affordable. I will show you how it looks. The sponge looks like this, and I'll show you how it works. I'll just take little bit of foundation on my hand and try to blend it. It blends very well. Only the one thing I found, it's bit small, but in 150 rupees you cannot expect more thing. And even in Nykaa sale I got this in 126 rupees, so it's the best option. So another thing from Nykaa, I got this Maybelline nail color remover. Why I got this? Because it was having vitamin E. I didn't use this, as we know vitamin E is very good for our skin and nails also. So I thought I will buy this. I didn't use, still I'll just buy it and let you know guys. And the price of this was 100 rupees, and I got this in 75 rupees from Nykaa. So the last product is Argan Oil Morocco shampoo from Organics. I had used earlier Organics shampoo, but another one that was coconut oil one, and I was loving that. But this one is Argan Oil shampoo, and it is not at all suiting me. I'm having so much hair fall after using this, and it leaves my hair dry and frizzy. And after using this shampoo, I am not at all feeling like I had used it. So I'm very disappointed with this shampoo. I thought it is very travel friendly and I should try this, and it was having argan oil, so I thought I should give a try. But so it comes in 60 ml packaging. The price of this was 195 rupees, and I got it something around 160 rupees. But I'm very disappointed with this shampoo, so I'll give thumbs down. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. If yes, please give a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and do not forget to like and share the video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.